Hey there, I'm Sarah and welcome to this chat. Today we're diving deep into casual, real-world ways to ask and answer, "How are you?" in English. If you've been stuck on the textbook, "How are you?" with a flat "I'm fine," you're in for a treat. People in the US barely say that anymore. It's 2025 and conversations have a fresher spin, whether you're at a food truck or texting a friend. Let's unpack it step by step with some juicy examples. Picture this. You're at a rooftop bar and a stranger says, "How are you?" It's the polite, all-purpose opener, works at a job interview or with your neighbor. You could reply, "I'm doing awesome, thanks for asking," to keep it upbeat. Or maybe, "Pretty good, just soaking in the view." That's a solid go-to. It's positive without sounding forced. If you're mad like after a long shift, try, "Not bad, just chilling." You might even flip it. "I'm solid. How's your night going?" Keeps the ball rolling. Now, switch gears to something looser. "Hey, how's it going?" Imagine you're grabbing boba with a classmate and they toss this out while you're in line. It's warm, not stiff, perfect for casual vibes. You say, "Good, thanks, love this spot." Or, "Pretty good. How's your week been?" If you're just okay, say, "You're tired from scrolling too much. Not bad, surviving." Don't hit them with "I'm fine." It's like a convo brick wall. Feeling under the weather? Not so good. I've got this headache nagging me. Or, "Not great. Stayed up too late gaming." They'll likely go, "Oof, what happened?" So you follow with, "Just overdid it. Need coffee stat." Then there's "What's up?" The ultimate chill check-in. You're at a skate park and a buddy rolls up with it. It's less "How's your soul?" and more "What's cooking?" You could say, "Not much, just shredding you." Or, "Nothing much, been obsessed with this new playlist." Keep that tone light, like, "Hey, just vibing. What's good with you?" If you're swamped, maybe, "Oh, everything. Work's a circus this week." I've even dodged it with, "Yo, what's up with you?" It's a greeting ping pong, not a quiz. Sarah's advice, most of the time, think 9 out of 10. These aren't deep dives into your life. They're social glue, like a "hi" with flair. At a party, "What's up?" isn't begging for your diary. It's an invite to chat. Roll with it, keep it breezy, and you're golden. Next, let's tackle asking about jobs without sounding like a robot. "What is your job?" is technically correct, but it's awkward, like asking "What's your blood type?" at a picnic. Go with "What do you do?" instead. It's short for "What's your daily grind?" You're at a co-working space, and someone asks it over coffee. It might sound rushed. "What do you do?" But it's the same deal. Answer with your gig. "I'm a video editor, mostly short clips." Or, "I'm a delivery driver, zipping around town." Add a twist. "I'm a teacher, high school chaos mostly." Where's your spot? "I work at this indie bookstore on 3rd. Big name? "I work for Netflix, in the streaming ops crew." Jobless? "I'm between things. Last gig was bartending." Say you're at a gallery opening and they ask, "What do you do?" You go, "I'm a photographer. Portraits are my thing." They nod. That's fire. You ask back, "You?" They say, "I'm in marketing, digital ads." Sarah's advice, after their answer, like, "I'm a chef." Throw in, "That's dope. Ever burn out?" Or, "Sweet, love food." It shows you're listening. Now, hobbies, don't even say hobbies. It's too formal for 2025. Ask, "What do you do for fun?" You're at a pop-up market, chatting with a vendor. They might say, "I'm into thrifting. Found this jacket last week." Or try, "What's your downtime look like?" At a climbing gym, they go, "I climb and mess with drone footage." You reply, "I like to bake. Sourdough's my nemesis." Or, "I like mixing beats on my laptop." Love it. "I really like surfing. Waves are my therapy." Lukewarm? "I kinda like puzzles, kills time." You're at a friend's movie night. "What do you do for fun?" They say, "I'm big on anime and biking." You go, "I like hiking, got lost once, epic story." They laugh. Spill it. Sarah's advice, drawing a blank? "I like kicking back with my crew. Low-key stuff covers you every time. Vague but relatable." Where's someone from? Where you from is the easy, are less version. You're at a music fest and they ask it between sets. I'm from Atlanta, hot summers man. Or, I'm from Chile, been here a minute. They might guess. You from Portland? You say, nah, I'm from Boise, Potato Central. Spice it up. I'm from Mumbai, moved for school. Sarah's advice. If they say the Rockies or SoCal, dig in. What's the best part? They'll run with it. Names? What's your name? Is two interrogation why. You're at a trivia night and you say, hey, I'm Sarah, you? They go, I'm Riley, nice setup here. Forgot it later? You're at a cafe, spot them and say, hey, sorry, what was your name again? They smile. No biggie, it's Jordan. Add context. We met at trivia, right? Sarah's advice, work it in. Jordan, you team trivia again? It locks in and feels smooth. Too much name dropping sounds like a sales pitch, so once or twice max. Staying connected? What's your phone number? Is ancient and pushy. Nobody whips out a flip phone anymore. At a tech meetup, try. Could I get your number? Soft and modern. Or, could I get your email? If it's professional-ish. Socials rule now. You on Threads? Or you on Telegram? They're at a Comic-Con booth. You on Discord? They say, yeah, I'm Geek Lord number 123. You go, sure, my number's 555-6789, text me. Or, my email's sarah@vibe.net. Not there? Nah, but my number works. Or, no Threads, but I'm on Insta @SarahSnaps. Say you're at a street fair, hit it off, and ask, could I get your number? They say, sure, it's 555-4321, don't spam me. You laugh, promise, you on Signal too? They nod, yeah, same number. Sarah's advice, don't pounce too fast, swap stories first. Like, after 10 minutes of taco truck banter, they're comfy sharing where they live. So, where do you live? Is a polite pivot after names or jobs. You're at a farmer's market. I'm near the old brewery, great beer. Or, by Lakeview Park, ducks everywhere. They go, oh, I've been there, or where's that at? You ask, where you staying? They say, over in East Side, quiet streets. Add detail. I'm off the red line, 10-minute commute. Sarah's advice, know their hood? East Side's got killer coffee. If not, sounds chill. What's it like? Never shade it. Heard it's rough, kills the mood. School or college? Where'd you go to college? If they're past their early 20s. You're at a book launch. Where'd you go to school? Same thing in the US, I went to Arizona State, Party Central. Or, I went to Edinburgh, Scotland. Rainy, but epic. They say, I didn't go, jumped into coding boot camp. You go, smart move, what did you build first? Or they say, I went to Caltech robotics track. You nod. Whoa, robots, that's next level. Sarah's advice. Ask, what did you study? I did psych, messed with people's heads. Or, what was your major? Film, shot some wild shorts. Keeps them talking. Next up, got any siblings?